So I'm going to show you guys my everyday skincare routine and just talk about my products a little more. Start with my face wash. Probably my favorite product in the line. It just makes my face feel so clean, and it also retains your natural moisture in your face. So, you really only need one pump. So, super foamy. I went through a lot of hard life. Now we're just gonna be gentle with our faces, ladies. Now I'm gonna go in with my walnut face scrub. I actually wrote all of these descriptions on the back, handwritten by Kylie. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my vanilla milk toner, which smells, there's no scent in this, and voila. So that is my whole routine. I have been creating this for a day thing for me. I can't live without this, and I'm so excited for you guys to have this, try this. They're amazing products, and I know you guys have also been asking for a skincare routine for a really long time, and I wish I could have shared this earlier, but I'm so happy that you guys can get your hands on this ASAP because this is my skincare routine, and I'm so excited for you guys to have it. Get your Kylie Skin May 22nd on kylieskin.com.